While I'm in the Screencastify editor, I may also want to add text to a portion of my clip. If I click on a portion of the timeline where I want the text to be, I click the T, it goes ahead and makes this little text indicator, and I can go ahead and type anything that I'd like. I can go ahead and change the color of the text so it contrasts with the background. I can go ahead and change the background of the text so it might stand out a little bit better. And I can move the text around in one of 9 positions. Here I have it left justified. I could also center it. And then here I have it in the middle of the page, but I can move it towards the top or bottom. So you can have it 9 sections. 3 across the top, 3 across the middle, 3 across the bottom. If you want the text to stay up longer or shorter, you can just use these drag handles and the text will remain longer or shorter along the timeline. You can also pick it up and move it to another portion of the timeline if it wasn't in the correct place.